Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing. We'll be exploring some of its top features, how to use it, and some useful tips for getting the most out of this powerful technology. So, let's get started. Quantum computing is a game changer in the world of technology. It's a new type of computer that uses quantum mechanics to perform calculations. Unlike traditional computers, which use bits to store information, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to perform calculations much faster than traditional computers. One of the top features of quantum computing is its ability to solve complex problems that are beyond the reach of traditional computers. For example, it can be used to crack complex encryption codes, simulate chemical reactions, and even predict the behavior of complex systems. But don't worry, you don't need to be a quantum physicist to use quantum computing. There are several user-friendly platforms available that make it easy for anyone to get started. For instance, IBM's Qiskit is a free, open-source platform that allows users to write and run quantum programs on real quantum computers. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of quantum computing. 1. Start with simple problems. Don't try to tackle complex problems right away. Begin with simple problems to get a feel for how quantum computing works. 2. Use quantum algorithms. There are several quantum algorithms available that can help you solve specific problems. For example, Shor's algorithm can be used to factor large numbers. 3. Experiment with different qubit types. Different types of qubits have different properties, so experiment with different types to see which works best for your problem. 4. Learn from experts. There are many resources available online, including tutorials and forums, where you can learn from experts in the field. 5. Be patient. Quantum computing is still a relatively new field, and it may take some time to see results. So there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to quantum computing and some tips to help you get started. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy quantum computing!